Hey everyone, Geoffrey here, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into Oppo's latest addition to their mid-range lineup, the Oppo A60 5G, or Oppo A3 5G in other region. If you're looking for a device that packs solid performance, modern design, a future-ready connectivity at an affordable price, this might be your next daily driver. Let's see what this device brings to the table. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. First up, let's talk the design. The Oppo A60 has a sleek and modern aesthetic, featuring a smooth polycarbonate back with a matte finish that reduces fingerprints. Available in two standout colors, Nebula Green and Ocean Blue. It's designed to look solid without breaking the bank. Plus, this phone passed multiple military-grade tests with flying colors, including shock and drop resistant and with IP54 splash and dust resistant. Moving on to the display, Oppo has equipped the A60 with a 6.67-inch IPS LCD screen, featuring a 720x1604 resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1000 nits. This combination ensures you get bright, vibrant colors and super smooth scrolling, which is perfect whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just browsing your social media apps. It stays easily visible even in the brightest sunlight. Now under the hood, the Oppo A60 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, a 4nm chipset, a solid performer for everyday tasks. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking between apps, the phone handles it all smoothly. It is paired with 6GB of RAM plus 6GB of RAM Turbo and 128 of internal storage, giving you enough room for your apps, photos, and videos. Now onto the cameras. This device features a dual camera setup, headlined by a 48MP main sensor and a 2MP depth camera. The primary lens captures vibrant and detailed shots in well-lit conditions, while the depth sensor helps with portrait shots. The front camera comes in an 8MP, delivering decent selfies for your social media. And let's not forget the battery life. With a 5100mAh battery, the Oppo A60 5G keeps you connected all day long. You'll get a full day of moderate usage without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, with this powerful 45W Super VOOC flash charge, you can quickly top up when you need to. Running on ColorOS 14 based on Android 14, the Oppo A60 offers a clean and customizable user interface. It's filled with useful features and enhanced privacy options. So there you have it, the Oppo A60 5G. With its solid performance, impressive design, reliable camera, and added bonus of 5G. It's a strong contender in the mid-range segment. It's definitely worth considering if you're after a budget-friendly phone that's future-proofed for the next generation of mobile networks. Alright, thanks for tuning in to our review of the Oppo A60 5G. Let me know what you think of this phone in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.